Hey there. Are you struggling with connectivity on your Samsung Grand Neo? Don't worry. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix network problems in Samsung Grand Neo, making sure you stay connected to the world effortlessly. We'll break it down into simple steps and provide you with practical solutions to get your device back online without any frustration. Step 1. Restart your device. The first and easiest step to resolve most network issues is simply restarting your device. Press and hold the power button until you see the options menu. Select Restart and wait for your phone to reboot. This can clear minor glitches and refresh your device's connection to the network. Once it powers back on, check to see if your network problem is resolved. Step 2. Check network settings. If restarting doesn't work, the next step is to check your network settings. Go to Settings, then tap on Connections and select Mobile Networks. Ensure that data roaming is turned on if you're traveling or away from your home network area. Sometimes selecting the right network operator manually under Network Operators can resolve connection issues. Toggle the airplane mode on and off as well to reset network connection. Step 3. Update your software. Software updates often fix known bugs and improve device performance, including network connectivity. Navigate to Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery life before starting the update. Once updated, check if the network issue persists. Step 4. Reset network setting. If the problem continues, consider resetting your network settings. This will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and mobile data settings, so be prepared to set them up again. To reset, go to Settings, tap on General Management, then Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and your device will restart. This often helps in resolving persistent connectivity issues and restoring network functionality. Step 5. Inspect the SIM card. Sometimes the issue might be with the SIM card itself. Power off your device and carefully remove the SIM card using the SIM ejector tool. Inspect it for any visible damage or dirt and clean it gently. Reinsert the SIM card, making sure it's properly aligned in the tray, and power on your device. Check if the network is now accessible. Step 6. Contact network provider. If none of the above steps work, the issue might be with your network provider's end. Contact customer service to inquire about any known outages or problems in your area. They may have a solution or provide instructions for further troubleshooting on their end. Step 7. Seek professional help. When all else fails, it's time to seek professional help. Visit a certified Samsung service center or consult with a qualified technician to diagnose any hardware issues that could be affecting your network connectivity. Resolving connectivity problems can be frustrating, but with patience and the right steps, you can fix network problems in Samsung Grand Neo. From simple restarts to contacting your network provider, these steps cover a range of solutions to get you back online. Prioritize trying the easiest solutions first and don't hesitate to seek professional assistance if needed. Stay connected and enjoy seamless usage of your Samsung Grand Neo.